Thinking about getting the Ninja Swirl ice cream and soft serve maker? Before you hit that buy button, let's compare it with two top competitors, the Cuisinart IC45 soft serve maker and the Yonanas Deluxe soft serve maker, so you can pick the perfect at-home ice cream machine for your kitchen. Stick around and don't forget to hit like if you find this helpful. First up, the Ninja Swirl ice cream and soft serve maker. Pros: it makes creamy soft serve and swirl-style ice cream easily at home. A compact design fits on most countertops, easy to clean with removable parts. It works with dairy and non-dairy bases for versatility. Con: it requires pre-freezing ingredients, so you need to plan ahead. A smaller batch sizes than some countertop ice cream makers. It can be loud during operation. If you want swirl-style soft serve with consistent texture and straightforward operation, the Ninja Swirl is a fun, family-friendly choice. Next, the Cuisinart i45 soft serve maker. Pros: a 1.5 quart capacity for larger batches, a built-in dispenser for cones or bowls, a 3 condiment containers for toppings, a no salt or ice required thanks to the freezer bowl design. Con: a freezer bowl must be frozen for 12 to 24 hours in advance. A bulky and takes up more counter space. A soft serve consistency can vary if your freezer isn't cold enough. If you're hosting parties or have kids who love customizing with toppings, the Cuisinart i45 is a fun, classic soft serve option. Finally, let's talk about the Yonanas Deluxe soft serve maker. Pros: it transforms frozen fruit into creamy sorbet-like soft serve instantly. Easy to use and clean. A healthier dessert option with no added sugars or dairy required. A compact and lightweight. Con: a not a true ice cream maker, produces fruit-based nice cream rather than dairy-based soft serve. A texture is closer to sorbet than traditional soft serve. A limited to frozen fruits unless mixed with other bases creatively. If you want a healthy alternative for frozen desserts without added sugar or dairy, Yonanas is a simple and effective choice. So, which one should you pick for your kitchen? Ninja Swirl. Great for creamy, swirl-style soft serve lovers who want to use their own bases with a compact machine. Cuisinart i45. Best for larger families or parties, with a traditional soft serve experience and built-in topping dispensers. Yonanas Deluxe. Perfect for those seeking a healthy, fruit-based frozen treat quickly and easily. Which one fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helps, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more honest, no-fluff kitchen gadget comparisons to save you time and money. Check the description for affiliate links to the Ninja Swirl, Cuisinart i45, and Yonanas Deluxe if you're ready to upgrade your dessert game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.